Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa. Kick back and catch a.
Hello everyone, welcome back to At Home with Lisa. Hi love bugs, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. We're so happy to have you here with us today. We're so happy you clicked on this video. And if you're returning, welcome back. Mwah. Also, let's welcome all of our new subscribers. Yay! Welcome. So today you all, I am coming back to you with a review on the May Ipsy iconic box set I got. If you didn't see that video with me unboxing, go ahead and check that video out. My lips look a little chapped. But anyway, go ahead and check that video out for me. But today we're doing a review on the products that I did receive in my May subscription of my Ipsy box, okay? So first things first, this Murid face cleansing cream. I didn't too much care for it because once I applied it and then once I rinsed it and pat dried it, my skin was feeling a little harsh. So I didn't like the feel of what this gave, okay? Now, the other one that I tried by the Pore Professional. Now, this one here, you apply it to the face and massage in gently using circular motions. Now, I love the way that this went on, and once I rinsed and dried my face, it was just so soft. And I just love that feel. So I have used this more than once. So I do like this, but I do need to purchase the Pore Professional Get Unblocked Cleansing Oil. So I do need to purchase that because I just used my oil cream that I already had. So I would prefer to use this same brand. So this is a winner. Love. The Pore Professional Good Cleanup Pore Purifying Foaming Cleanser Mousse. I like it. So it's a winner, okay? Then the other thing that I used was the eye cream. Now, when I put this eye cream on at night, I had a little puffiness before I applied this at night. But when I woke up the next morning, it was like flat. It was flat. The puffiness was gone. So I love how this feels on my under eye. So this is a keeper as well. And this is the Nutrient C eye cream. Okay. And it's by Kat Berkey. Okay. So as you all can see, my face is already done. So we are going to try some of the products that we talked about. One is the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. We're going to try it to see how it works on the brows. Very wet. Okay, simple. You know, it shouldn't be a negative on this because this is just something simple. So this is good. That's good. So we do have our Chica Beauty Duo Brush. This is, I don't like this end. I like the puffy end because I love the way it feels on the skin. And I'm just blending in my blush and my powder. So I like this end of it. I love this end of it. Okay, so I like that. So I will be using this. Now we do have 3 other brushes. This one is an eyeshadow brush. We're going to be using this to apply our shadow. This is a tapered blending brush. So I'm going to use this to blend the eyeshadows together. And then this is a definer blush. So if I need to define any areas of the, not the blush, the eyeshadow, then I'm going to be doing that. So I'm going to set my mirror right here. So as you guys know, if you watch the video of my May Ipsy glam box, I got 2 different eyeshadows. So this one is the berries and cream. I like the berries and cream. I like it. So we're going to see it right there. You guys can see it. Then the bigger palette is the Ciate London. I Am a Woman, What's Your Superpower? I love these colors as well too. This is this palette. So I love this palette too. But I am propelled to use this palette. This is the palette that I want to use today. So I am going to use the eyebrow brush first. And I like that they have the what type of brush it is. It's engraved on there. Okay. So first I think I want to go in with the Berry Land, which is this lighter color here. Brush is on nicely. I love the feel of the brush. I'm going to give it 2 strokes here because I want you to be able to see the color. And I'm just staying down here on my lid, you guys. I'm not going over the crease. And I do brush and I pat. And don't worry about the excess you see because we'll go back and clean that up. So I like that. I like that a lot. So now the second color that I'm going to go in with is I'm going to go in with this Berry Bright. Y'all, I love eyeshadow. And then I'm going to go just on the end with the Berry Bright. And I can feel it falling on my face. So you don't want to put too much. And you want to blow. You can see that it has a great shimmer. So this you probably want to just pat or dab. Don't worry because I'm going to go back and I'm going to blend it all in together. So this one is the definer brush. So I'm going to go to Berry Bouquet, the Berry Bouquet. And I'm just going to go on my crease a little bit. As y'all can see, I'm doing 3 strokes. Okay. Just a natural, neutral look. So I'm going to go back to my handy dandy duo brush and I'm going to just wipe off the excess. Just clean that up a little bit. Now, generally, when I do my makeup, I do my eyes first. That's because whenever the excess from the eyeshadow falls here, you can go back and correct it. But you can still correct it this way, as you can see. You can correct it this way, but I like to do my eyes first. So now we're going to go ahead and use the tapered blending brush, and we're just going to blend everything in that we've put on our eyes. And I'm using like a circular motion to do this, to get everything blended. I'm loving the eyeshadow, you guys. I'm liking how it's going on. It's not messy, because some eyeshadows can be very, very messy. Now, also too, I want to use something from this one so you guys will be able to know what it really does. Okay, so I'm going to choose a color that I'm going to use in my corner right here. And it's going to be a shimmery color. And I think I'm going to use Perfect, Not Perfect. And it's this one. Perfect, Not Perfect. So let's use that one. Perfect, Not Perfect. And I'm just going to go in my corners. Love it. And it doesn't take a lot, you guys. And I just kind of slant my brush a little bit to apply it in the corner. And there you have it. I like the eyeshadow. I like the Violet Boss. That's this one. The Violet Boss. I like that one. And the name of it is Berries and Cream Dreams. I like the colors. And then the other palette, which I only use Perfectly Not Perfect color, is by Ciate London. So yeah, I like the shadows. Like I told y'all before, I love shadows. I love shadows. I love eyeshadows. And then I'm gonna go back in for any excess here. And there you have it. The only thing that I did not care for is the murad. I didn't care for that. Now, something else, let me put the film back over these. Where's the other film? Here it is. So they don't get on the mirror, the eyeshadow. It wasn't flaky. It wasn't a whole lot of excess shadow on the, it wasn't a whole lot of excess shadow when I applied it. So we're going to put this back on. Hold on, y'all. I always do it wrong. There we go. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show y'all a tip that I use. I use this Tarte Ultra Creamy Concealer, okay? That's what I use on my face. But I don't only use it on my face. I take the tip out and I get my brush, my little thin brush right here, and I'll take it off of here and I'll put it on my lips. I'll put some on the top and the bottom. And I just blend it in. Now sometimes I'll get a gloss and put a gloss over it. And sometimes I just take, I need to sharpen this. Sometimes I just take my lip liner and line my lips. So there's really no wrong or right way to I thought I saw a blemish, y'all. There's no right or wrong way to apply your makeup, I would say. It's whatever look that you're going for, how you want it to look. Y'all, I'm loving this eyeshadow. I'm loving it. I'm loving this eyeshadow, y'all. I'm loving it. And I like the way my skin is looking. I didn't do my hair yet, y'all. So I hope y'all like the look. I like the eyeshadow, you guys. Y'all see how I did that with that lips? And sometimes I'll go in with a lighter brown of a lip gloss tint and blend it all together. But a lot of times I just use my concealer on my lips. So I'm liking the look, you guys. I hope you guys are liking it too. Let's get some shots. All right, you guys. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to my Maze Ipsy charm box, iconic box, whatever they're calling it. It's Ipsy. Thanks for tuning in for this review. I am satisfied with this first box of subscription that I have. And again, if you guys have tried any of the products, or if you have an Ipsy subscription, leave it down in the comments below and let me know, okay? Because I want to know who else is doing this. I do know that Boss Lady Denise, she does the Ipsy subscription, because I was looking at her video the other day and she did show what she had. So I know she does it. I know she does it. And there are a couple of other people I just can't remember right at this moment. But anyway, y'all, thank y'all again for tuning in. Again, please give this video a big thumbs up if you like the content. I'm liking this look, you guys. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. So y'all, I hope y'all like it. I hope it turned out good. And one day we're going to come back where we're going to do a full glam look. I didn't want to do a full glam look today because all those products are not by Ipsy, like my concealer and my foundation and all of that. That is not from the Ipsy box. So I just wanted to focus on what I received in my May Ipsy box. So that's what I did today. But we're going to come back and we're going to do a full look where we're using the concealer, the foundation, the highlighter, you know, all of that good stuff, and the blush and all. But I pre-did my face before getting on camera because I just wanted to focus on the areas for the products that I did have. Well, all right, love bugs, we're going to see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye. See y'all in the next.
Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home.